Chinese astronauts complete spacewalk outside future space station.
Here's a summary of the article.
Beijing. November 8 – 2 Chinese astronauts completed a spacewalk on Monday outside the core module of a future space station, with 41-year-old Wang Yaping becoming the first Chinese woman to perform the maneuver, state media reported. Zhai Zigang, 55, mission commander of Shenzhou 13, opened the hatch of the core cabin Tianhe at 6:51 p.m. on Sunday, and was joined by Wang for a spacewalk that lasted 6.5 hours. The duo returned to the module at 1:16 a.m. on Monday, CCTV said. A third astronaut, Yi Guangfu, assisted the pair from inside the core module. Crewed space exploration would be incomplete without the participation of women. Yang Yuguang, vice chair of the Space Transportation Committee for the International Astronautical Federation, told state-controlled Global Times. Shenzhou 13 is the second of 4 crewed missions needed to complete China's space station by the end of 2022. During the first such mission that ended in September, 3 other astronauts stayed on Tianhe for 90 days. The current mission, launched on October 16, will last for 6 months.
This post received a score of 790, with an upvote ratio of 90%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
I think one of the coolest thing about this new station is that a new Hubble-class space telescope, currently scheduled for launch in 2024, will co-orbit with the station, allowing for periodic docking. That is obviously amazing since it would add another major space telescope, with modern hardware and software, plus much easier upgrades, which altogether will allow for a lot more large space telescope observations. This will be great for science and for humanity.
Does China share scientific data from telescopes and satellites? Legit question.
Yes, there are international collaborations on the Chinese space station despite some geopolitical tensions.
Why is it future space station? At what point does it become a space station?
When they add a bit more space. Well, no one said it had to be a spacious station.
The Chinese space industry is a lot further than I thought or paid attention to. The permanent orbital space station is no joke and neither are EVA suits.
It is so impressive China can do this, even we see it. China has said everybody will be welcome in this space station.
I think the key part of the story was that the astronaut was the first Chinese female astronaut to do a spacewalk.
Well done. Really exciting time. I try to follow reports about Chinese serious missions on Mars, Moon, and other space science and engineering projects. Really nice. But at what cost?
Silly question time. Why doesn't China just add on to the international station that's there already?
The US government forbid NASA from collaborating with China on the ISS. The ISS is really outdated and literally set to go out of commission in the next few years.
So international but not international then. Hardly seems the right way to explore and experiment in space, dragging our old xenophobia up there with us. Really, I did not know that. What's the plan? A new one or use China's?
There are foreign astronauts training in China right now actually.
What if those Chinese astronauts claim the Earth is a round ball afloat in space? Will most Americans angrily convert to flat Earth theory?
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.